Finally, after 6 months of working and using all of Sam's more than 10 years of photo editing experience, Sam has successfully researched and developed FineArt Secret image editing software. Sam put the whole process into this plugin, and from there it increased Sam's image editing speed by 5 to 10 times. In this tutorial, Sam will guide you edit a shimmering, more magical sunset photo. Normally, this sunset image is a raw file. I'll see that it doesn't have that vibrant color no matter how beautiful the sunset it is. Because the camera can't match the human eye, so when I'm human's eyes, I see the sunset very beautiful, but in reality, it won't be so sparkling. So I need post-production. So in a picture like this, the first thing I'll see is that the sky is a bit overexposure. Well, here it is because Sam has already used the light. Make the sky a little overexpose. And if there are cases where you don't light up, then you take pictures. One is the burning sky. Second, if you can see the sky, you can't see the subject, the face is dark. First, I will reduce the highlight to save the sky. Then, after reducing the highlight, Sam will press the open button and I will start editing the image. Sam will first rebalance the horizon for this shot. After weighing the horizon, I will find this image a bit dark. At that time, Sam will enter shadow to reduce the shadow part. I will see the photo it is brighter. One isn't enough, I'll add another. Okay, now when I reduce it, it's light up. In the case that Sam wants this contrast, it increases. Here it is missing details. Then Sam will click on plus contrast. This FineArt Secret is simple in that what I want, I just click there. Here if I think the contrast is too high, I can reduce its opacity. Before, after. The picture is brighter. However, I do see dark skin. At this point I will choose skin. White skin 3, is white skin 3, click on it. The skin will be whiter. Now, I will deal with watercolors. This watercolor is the color I will choose plus color cast to add color. I chose this watercolor is blue plus blue. If you want more, I'll add more. That's when I see that the watercolor is clearer. Here it haunts the groom's shirt. So now I will group these two groups. Start by creating the mask. And I choose flow 80%. I removed it from my shirt. That way it won't affect the shirt. This leather part. I can choose skin. Beauty skin. Here is the scene correction, so Sam will guide you to color correction mainly. Well, after I've fixed the watercolor part, that's it. I will merge the layer again. And now I want to adjust the color of the clouds, then Sam will enter the sunset sky, which means sunset clouds. Then, sunset sky. Press the J button, it will show the selection ring. And I pulled up my pick ring. So now I have applied the sunset color to the image. Then continue. If I want to add more color, I will choose sky color. Press J again. I will add color to this cloud. Before after. I have clouds by color. Now I want to continue it with more vibrant colors. I will choose plus sunset here. It will add yellow color to this photo. Add yellow to the photo. Then, if we don't want to obsess too much on the subject, then I will choose flow, about 60%. I scan the subject. Then it will reduce the effect on the subject at this time. In this part, the red shirt is slightly lighter in color. Sam will want to decrease, then Sam will increase the color of the red shirt. I chose plus red. That is, I will see that the shirt is darker. Usually, the red color will cover the sky and skin color. At this point, I will subtract the sky color and skin color. Then if I see this part, it's not even, the back of the dress. I want it to match the color of the top part, I will continue to add red one more. And now I'm going to subtract the upper part of the skirt, with the sky. Then it only affects the bottom of the skirt. The dress it's not uniform in color. After 2 clicks, it's already colored. Here before, the picture doesn't have much color and is quite dark. Then after a few editing steps with the FineArt Secret tool, then I had a very beautiful sunset photo.